Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart, what we can see that the gold price has moved a volatile way. If you look at the swings, see if you look at the chart, what we can see are different swings we have seen. Okay, and price of gold has made a move of around $50 to $100 whenever they have made a swing. Okay, so look at the chart, what the swing coming at around 1833. Okay, and made a low of around, see, 70 to 100, and then we have seen that it made a low of around that is high, it made a low around 1722. See, now again made a high of around 1722, and from there we have seen it made a high from 1834. Okay, so whenever there is a swing, we have seen that the price of gold has moved to a level of 80 to 100 to $150. Okay, so now what we can see looking at the chart. Okay, see, now the price is currently trading at around 1804. Okay, whenever the swing happens, we have seen around $50 to $100 or $120 movement. Okay, so now before that, see, this is the chart where it is trading at around 1804, and we have seen swing coming at around 1790.03. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now let's look at the chart. The high made at around 1867, and these are the swing which I have been mentioning, and the movement was around 70 to $100 movement whenever the swing comes. Okay, now currently trading, the gold is currently trading at around 1804 with the swing we have seen at coming around 1790 around. Okay, so the low was around 1779 and high made it around 1811. Okay, so what we can see looking at the chart, that the price, suppose if the price sustain this level, and these levels are already tested here. Okay, this is the U pattern that is formed. Okay, it was in this particular range, and again now we have seen the same pattern. Okay, the U pattern is there and the particular range. So what we can see, that the price if sustain this level, we can see it can go to a level of 1810.73. okay, once the range break upside, and if this range sustain, then we can see it can go further high to a level of 1812. Okay, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1814 also. Okay, so now if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down, but otherwise we have seen that 1814 is already tested here twice, so chances of going towards high is very high. Okay, and if this level sustain, we can see it can come down to a level of 1814.95, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1815.80. and suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go further high. And if you look at the trend, we can see that this is continuous in an uptrend. Okay, it is moving slowly, but it is moving in a parallel line. Okay, in a trend line upside. Okay, so once this level cross upside at 1810.73, and this level is already tested here, so chances of going towards 1812.84 is high, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1814.95. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, we can see a level of 1820.45, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1820. After that we can see it can go to a level of 1828. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further higher, because 1825 and 1825 already got tested here. Okay, this resistance got tested here, so chances of going towards 1828 is high, and this 1828 is also tested here. Okay, this resistance, so what we can see, it can go further higher to a level of 1841 and 1844. okay, because, and it will, this is the particular range it will be moving to, and from there we can see it can go further higher to a level of 1843. okay, but once if it goes above 1843, and I've already told you that 1845 is a crucial resistance. If the price goes above this level, we have seen 5 or 10 to $20 of movement in the price of gold. So once if it goes above 1843, then we can see it can go to a level of 1854 also, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1865, and from there we can see, and this 1865 is also got tested here twice, so chance of going towards 1877 is high, and from there we can see it can go further higher. Okay, you can check my previous video where I have told you if the price goes above 1877, there all it can go. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, I'm trading it around 1804 currently. If the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1802.28, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 1799. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level also, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1793.41, and from there we can see a level of 1789.18. Okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1784, and from there we can see it can go further low to a level of 1768. Okay, and I have already told you that if it goes below a level of 1782, and 1779 is already tested here, so chances will be very high we can see it can go further low, and because this is the level where we have seen this is already got tested. So if it comes close to a level of 1779, what we can see there, we can see a bounce back at this level, because this is 1779 not got tested, while the other level of around 1783 got tested. If it comes close to a level of 1779 again after bounce back, what we can see it can go to a level of 1760. Okay, and once if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1751, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 1749 also. Okay, and 1744, once this 1744 comes down below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1736, and from there we can see a level of 1730 to a level of 1721. Okay, and this 1721 is also got tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can go further low to a level of 1718, and from there we can see a level of 1700 to a level of 1680 also. Okay, so keep this in mind. I was repeating you since my previous video that if the price comes close to 1721, we can see a level of 1700 to 1619, but these are all my personal view what I am sharing with you. Now see, this is an uptrend. We have seen the profit booking has come at this level, and from there again we have seen a continuous slow but a steady uptrend we have seen. So if the price goes below a level of 1800 or 1799, then only we can see it can go further low. Okay, so if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go further low. Otherwise what we can see, if the price sustain above a level of 1800, we can see it can moving an upside. Okay, so now if you are looking for a longer view, you can do it, but understand one thing, if you are trading with $10,000 of capital, for the trader I'm talking about, okay, always try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital, and your risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. Okay, and your trade per trade will be 10 to 15%, that is around 1000. Okay, so what you have to understand is that suppose if you are trading with 10 to 15, that is around 1000, and your risk will be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. So if you are trading 5 times in a day or in a month, and your lose for the 5 times, and you know risk it is $500 max. Okay, or if you made profit in suppose 2 of your trades and you lose 3 of it, then you know your risk and reward also can be a bigger one. You should not be that means you should not be scared in order to trade for the next time, because you have not lost so much, you know your risk. Okay, regarding this, understand one thing, you have to, and you can attend my workshop and you can mail me regarding this. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and